He started making records after he left Spike Jones for Capitol that were Yiddish parodies of hit songs of the day. Herring boats are coming with bagels and lox. Come on to my house, which he called Come on to my hoys, I'm gonna get you. Chicken, pickle, and he made these insane and classic American songs. And they used to play them outside on Broadway, I don't know, 49th Street. And people would come around and listen and laugh on the street. Here is his first big hit. Ich geb mir a Haim mit der Weibele Schein, wo die Schiebs und die Ziegelach laufen. Ich geb mir a Häus mit gesunde Cowboys und a couple hundred cattle zu verkaufen. Then he made another big hit called Tickle, Tickle. You tickle me, I tickle you. You tickle me, I tickle you. Kitzel, 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 Tagenacht. And that was a hit. So I don't know. He had many, many, many hits, and he made about 5 or 10 albums for RCA Victor and Capitol. And he became the preeminent Yiddish-speaking comedian, Parodist. He used to write these parodies to make us laugh. And then the record companies started laughing. And before he knew it, he was playing outside the Broadway record store. And people were standing there thinking, oh my God, that's the language of my ancestors. It was a way of bridging the families from the old world to the United States